Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Now in this video, we're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do some first gear launches on the street tires. I don't have the radials on right now. There really is no point for me to have the radials on because I've been just cruising the car. I haven't been racing the car much because, first of all, there really isn't that many race meets going on right now. Here in Texas, we don't really do the race meets every single week. We do them like once every 2 weeks, once every 3 weeks. You don't want to burn out all the spots and whatnot. It's been incredibly hot outside too, out in the temperature and also on the streets as well. So we're kind of just trying to play this smart, be safe about it, and just, you know, have them when, you know, it's actually worth to have them. So we're gonna do some hard first gear launches. We're gonna go to Mexico to do that. If you guys are new to the video, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. I'm gonna get gas and yeah, we can go ahead and start this up. It's pretty hot outside, I'm not gonna lie, but we're gonna hit like a couple spots. I'm not gonna be doing these hits in the same spots, obviously, so we're gonna be rotating around a little bit today. Oh my god, that was actually so bad. We didn't go anywhere, we just fucking spun and I just grinded second so bad. Oh my goodness. Alright y'all, try it again, let's hit it. We didn't spin that bad that time. We didn't spin that bad that time. That was a pretty good hit. Oh my goodness. I didn't take it up all the way and I kind of like eased off at the end just because it kind of got sketchy, but man, dude, this bitch took off. This bitch took off pretty good. That's 355 gears in the stock tire, still spinning. Well, we spun a little bit, but it wasn't really that bad. That was pretty solid, I'm not gonna cap. I was kind of paranoid because the first time I did that hit, I mean, the tires just dug on and just fucking spun. And I just grinded second, but that was pretty damn good. I wonder how much boost I hit there. I know my belt's slipping a little bit. That was 10 pounds on the dot. I know my belt's slipping, but I mean, that was pretty damn good. Got to get a little bit better with the quicker shifts. I don't really launch this car that much. Holy shit, this thing sounds crazy off the launch. That's kind of why I kind of hit the spot and we're gone. Like, we're dipping. We're going on the other side of town now. section right now, man. What do you guys recommend on how to improve at doing the launches? And before, ooh, that's a nice Grand Sport. That's a real nice Grand Sport. Hell yeah. Hey, he nodded his head too. Hell yeah, that's a real nice Grand Sport.
It's a good looking car, brother.
Thank you, you too.
What kind of boost you got going on today?
It's the Vortech.
Oh wow, it sounds awesome.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Hell yeah, that thing's badass. But as I was saying, what type of advice do you guys have for me to go ahead and get better at like doing the launches and shit on this car? Because like I don't launch this car that much, so I'm really rookie on this. I have the street tires on right now, so this thing is kind of just useless like first gear and honestly second gear too. But I want you guys' advice. And before I get any of the NA 4-valve guys with the 410 gears and the unsync speedometers in the comment section saying how they can outrun this car from a dig, please come line it up. We can get a good video going. We can do like a second for pretty good. It broke up there again. Half a tank. I put gas in this car. It was like a little over a half a tank. I was like, fuck it. But it broke up again, and it did start to spin 40. Like I have to put the radials back on this thing, but oh man, that breaking up shit's kind of sketch, because like I don't really know what's causing that. Like, does anybody in the comment section know what's causing that? I feel like my fuel pump's like failing. That's what it feels like, honestly. I know this car needs to get a return style fuel system, which it is, but with the whole new motor setup, like it doesn't really make sense to put the return style fuel system in first, just to go ahead and have to redo it. Or I mean, would I technically have to redo it? Like I don't want to have to pay for the labor twice for the same job, if that makes any sense. We could probably do another hit here, traffic permitting, and then we're gonna dip. All right, that truck's about to turn, so now's our chance to do it right now. We'll do a second roll in. It cut again. Like half a tank. I thought it was a little over half a tank before I did that first that first gear roll, but I don't know, man. Let me know down in the comment section what y'all think is causing this. Had to get that tunnel blast going. Alright y'all, so I pulled over to a spot to let the car cool down. It's hot as fuck out here. Like you guys can see, I'm sweating through my shirt right now. My GoPro overheated mid-run. My phone overheated, which means it's like over 100 degrees out right now. So I think we're done for right now. Man, the heat's getting crazy out here in Texas. I say it every single damn video, but man, I was not prepared for this heat. I hope y'all enjoyed. Again, give me some tips down below in the comment section. What y'all think I should do to kind of, you know, quicken up the shifts when I'm launching the car. I don't really do it too often because I'm on the street tires like 99% of the time right now, but I do go ahead and put the radials back on. I'm gonna be a little bit quicker on the shifts. I'm not gonna lie, I'm starting to like the way the car looks on the full street setup. I do need to get some new wheels. I'm not too sure if I want to go with the same 5 spokes again. I might just get the SVEs, because paying like 1,500 bucks for some Rovoses, that doesn't make sense. I mean, I'm not paying 1,500 bucks for rep wheels, so honestly I might just go ahead and just get the SVEs, just because there are just going to be roll arounds and I do like the way they look. So we'll see. It probably looks decent on camera, but I promise you guys, like in person, they got some OD curb rash, not from me, but kind of the previous owner, the previous owners before I got the car. So kind of want to go ahead and freshen everything up. I don't know what wheels I want to go with, but I kind of am still leaning just towards getting the same ones, just the SVE black 5 spokes, and calling it a day. I thought about getting the AS Fest wheels too, but I don't know, man. Like, I'm not really a chrome guy. I mean, they look good on the Weld because it has like the black center, but I'm not really a chrome guy, so I don't know how I'm gonna like that. And I mean, I don't want to drop 2K on wheels and potentially not like what I buy. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. Yeah, if y'all enjoyed, make sure you guys drop a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. See you guys in the next one.